Welcome back everyone. Today I bring you a very classic Indian dessert called the Lauki ka Halwa or Dudhi Halwa, which is basically a dessert made from bottle gourd. Now the uniqueness of this dessert is it is made out of grated bottle gourd, which is mixed with milk and either sugar, or you can use date extract also to make it more healthier. I was first introduced to this dessert by one of my senior colleagues who used to cater to all our office functions, and it was very tasty. To prepare this recipe, it's a very simple and easy recipe but requires a lot of patience. This vegetable is considered to be high in nutrition and fiber, and that's why it is ideal for fasting because it keeps you hydrated the whole day. So do try this recipe, and I'm sure you will definitely enjoy it.
Heard them say our best days pass us by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. Run out when things don't go to plan. I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real. This life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. Heard them say our best days pass us by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real, this life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.